Good afternoon. I mean, I don't feel really good, but not so bad. But I just made another record, and this one's the analyze imagery with raster functioning. Raster function is ArcGIS Online. So we're creating a thematic raster using ArcGIS Online, and the first step, download the imagery layer in a web map. So first of all, I search this line set image and opening a map viewer. Once I open it, I want to save the map and click save. So it will be stored in my folder. And after loading that picture, I want to adjust the style option because we're focused on geology, the mineral distribution of the map. So the red we prefer SWIR, sorting for red band can be sorted with infrared, and green we prefer near infrared, blue is blue. So you just like, you know, statistical combo for the geologic features to extract the geological features. And the DRA can allow us to for optimal display for full range pixels in the image. So click an analysis button, search band, and we search the band arithmetic. So it just like allows you to perform arithmetic functions on the band's full input raster. So you can specify your own formula for predetermined method. And we want to focus on minerals, so we click this one. And
ferrous,
the ferrous mineral ratio method is SWR divided by NR. So we input B6 divided by B5 right here. And we have preview like this. The output name is going to be unique, and click run. As you can see, it's currently running in our history panel. And the just open the pixel value. And you can see if it's like the layer. This error is a burn error. This one this error has been burned. So the if you see like the legend, the brighter value, the higher concentration of the iron, and you can see the river has a darker value, and this burn area has a higher value. And this guy inform you the one with
ferrous,
mineral should have a pixel value greater than 1.15. But the burn scar also average burn scar value over 1.3. So the ideal value you want to do is 1.15 between 1.15 and 1.3. By create by creating this this the first mineral map, you can just first generate what we want the pixel value. So okay, so we want to create raster function template. You can do a customer raster template function and add raster function, type grid then equal, and click this one right here. Parameter raster 2 1.15 variables is public. Raster 2 threshold, raster input raster, click OK. Do the same to less than equal, and yeah. And I use a mouse like you see when the mouse turns to be this shape. and drag it to the less than equal, and it looks like this. Third step, we add Boolean function will locate pixel value within the specific threshold of 1.15 and 1.3. That's the whole raster function, how it looks like. Remember when I was doing the first one, the greater and equal, the first raster name called input raster. That's where that comes from. The second one, I did not do anything, but I dragged the input raster. That's why they changed the name. But anyway, so if you want to specify what you want as input, just first of all put it is public, turn it on, and change the name of the certain thing. Just make sure the parameter. So if you don't specify, it could be anything. It could be raster, it could be not a value. But if you want to specify any input, you just put the value. So it's gonna be the threshold. If you change the threshold, so. And if you open the general information Boolean function, so it's like you must make sure both input value is 1. Then you can just create a value of 1. So make sure, yeah, just called Boolean. See, for each greater than equal or less than equal, it's also a kind of Boolean function. So like it performs the original greater than equal operation on the two inputs. So return 1 if the first raster is greater or equal to the second raster. And you can see the first raster right here is the input raster. So that means you must greater than 1.15. And it will just output a 1 right here. Same as this one. Once we specify the function, we can just click it and use our just new build function. And put this input and just wait. Or we can just wait. Change the symbology of the output map because that's only it's a composition of 0 and 1. And for the 0 value, you don't have any color on it. Thus, just choose no color. Second one, make it blue. So that's everything. So if you want to create a band combination to help detect feature imagery, you have to make sure you have to remember that the band combination is a different layer. You want to limit the number of pixel value. So like you want specify a certain range. Imaging symbology won't work. Just do the mass raster function because you want to do further analysis, mathematical statistical analysis. So symbology isn't the best function. Thanks for watching.